Hi, our topic is collaboratory tool in Android. So first we would start by creating an account on the portal. For registering on the application we need to select a username, then add an email ID which will be verified later, and also the password to access the account. The username is unique for every user. Once the account is registered, it is added to the Firebase database, but can only be used after verification. The second step involves verifying the email account entered by the user. An authentication link is sent to the registered email ID. The account will not be successfully registered and ready to use unless the account is verified by clicking on the verification link sent on the registered email ID. Once the email ID is registered, the user can then log into the application from the created credentials and then access all the functionalities provided by the application. User can simultaneously log in from multiple devices. Users can upload multimedia files in the app which will be stored on Firebase database storage. Users can easily upload files from the phone storage which will be available online. The files can be viewed online. They can also be shared with various registered users on the application. All the uploaded files can be seen in the first fragment. All the files available on the application can be viewed online. The demonstration illustrates file sharing between bot and Anish. Bot sharing file with Anish. Files can be shared with the users registered on the application by clicking on the file to be shared and then select the share option to share the file with other users. A list of all the registered users is displayed from which one can select who to share the file with. Shared users then can view the file online. Files shared with someone is visible in the shared fragment. To view who has access to this file, click on the item and select the View Access option. A user list is displayed which depicts the users who have access to the file. Access can be removed by removing them from the list. This is how the file sharing works. We have two emulators simulating the two devices, and Firebase database in background. The user on the left emulator selects a file and then selects the share button. The user then selects the second user's username to share file with. The shared user has their username recorded under the shared node of the document ID. As we see, the shared node has the username. Now when the owner of the document, by clicking on the View Access button, revokes the access of the username under shared node is removed as we see here. Creation of text documents and sharing with others. The user on the left device creates a new text file by clicking on the Create button. The user names the file, and the file is created. The sharing mechanism is same as before, with user selecting username and sharing the file. As the user opens the file, we see the initials of his username on the top panel. When the right user opens the same file, the second user is shown online. As we see, both of the user can edit the document simultaneously, and the changes are made with a very small delay. When a user leaves the document, the online icon is removed to reflect the same. All the files are stored in an encrypted format. The changes made in document are encrypted, and the node is updated with the text. The text is broken into 3 parts, with each part undergoing encryption using 3 different keys. The application also includes an in-app chatbot for general user queries like how to upload a file, how Password reset links are also available in case you forget your current password. Just select the Forgot Password option below the login page to generate reset link. You start by entering the email ID through which you have registered on the application. Password reset links are unique and are generated on specific user request, that is, links generated for a particular account can only be used to change the password of that account only. You will then receive a reset link if the account had been previously registered on the portal. By clicking on the reset link, you will be allowed to select a new password and confirm the password to finally set it. You can then log in from the new credentials.